My dryer has this buzzer that goes off when the clothes are dry. But the laundry room is at the far end of the house. Even on the highest setting, it can't be heard from the living area. I needed a way to hear it better. Some folks have a similar problem with their doorbell. So there are doorbell extenders on the market that fix this. They have two parts. A battery-operated microphone transmitter is placed next to the existing doorbell, and a remote chime is plugged in anywhere. When the microphone hears the doorbell, it wirelessly signals the remote chime. I repurposed mine by placing the microphone on the back of the dryer. Now, when the dryer buzzer goes off, the microphone hears it and signals the remote chime. What? Oh.